Bet you didn't expect to see this one. 2 videos in one day. Think it's happening. Also, don't forget to follow my new Instagram, ComputerTech2996. Hey, what's up guys? So I thought today I would film another video and do it outside. But I purchased a package on Amazon and I thought I would show y'all what I got. I got a cool gadget. So this is the box. I'm gonna go ahead and open it so I can show you. I'm gonna just pull it out. Wow. Okay. The box is so much different than like what I'd seen before. Because I watched Canada Cruising's video and was like, although, let me say, okay, before we open this, I'm gonna just talk a little bit about what I got. Just put this right back in. Just be very careful, trying not to like break the box. Alright, so what we have here is a phone camera lens kit 4-in-1, and I am so excited. This is a telephoto lens, fisheye lens, wide angle lens, macro lens, and basically you can connect it to all phones. And according to this picture, you also get a tripod, so I'm excited to see what this is all about. This is the box, and it basically tells you everything on the front. And at the back, you basically have info about Selvim? I'm assuming. I am currently looking at the ad on Amazon, so I will link the ad down below so you guys can actually take a look at it yourselves as well if you're interested. And yeah, let's open up this box. Compatible with smartphones / tablets. Better take off the case before using. That's something that Canada Cruising did say. The reality of it is, if you have a bulky case like the one on my phone right there, and you're attempting to take photos, it's not going to work. This is a case as well, but it's a very tight to it. I could test it out and see if it works. It's a lot more. But I think without the case, we're going to do a lot better. Okay, take this off. And this is what you get in the case. Of course, this he also got, but the box is just so different. This is it. Here's the box. I'm going to move this out of the way so you guys can kind of take a look at the box. Look at this. It's such a nice box. I'm so shocked. Like, look at the box. That is crazy. I'm gonna open this. Now I have to be very gentle because I don't know which side these are on and I don't know if everything's gonna fly out. So let's be careful. Like, got it on the right side. Okay, so what we got on the left, this is what it looks like. Oh, it is kind of tied together. This is what it looks like. I kind of like that it comes with a case, which I am shocked. This came with a case, carrying case, which is so much nicer because if you're out and about, you can carry your case with you and get your stuff. So we get the lens camera kit manual. It tells you everything that you get in the kit, which is so cool. We get the eye cup, and this is so soft. I could be okay with putting this in there. This is for your telephoto lens because you can use your telephoto lens as a second to telescope, and you get a little. This is a first. Okay, I'm actually excited. You get a little pouch. And I'm excited that we also get a cleaning cloth, and I'm glad we do because your lenses will be a lot of tampering with when you are trying to mount them and use them. We've got our phone mount, which will be attached to the tripod, which I am excited about as well. Now I don't have to buy a tripod because it's a tripod. Alright, let's see. Does this just stretch out? It does, so everything just comes out. So first thing we've got in here is a tripod, which I can see now why the little bag is there. Because if you see here, right, I don't know if you can kind of see, there's like no slot for your tripod. It kind of just sat there. So this is a decent tripod. I'm actually shocked. It's a little wonky. It's not like the greatest thing, but honestly, it does the job. And I am not mad about it. And then you basically just stick the bottom piece here. There's, oh, some sticky. It's like coming off of it, but it's not that bad. So this goes in, this hole into here, and kind of just twist. Yep, there you go. Alright. I think I have it nice and tight, which is like, sure. Look at that. You kind of just open, And I'm gonna loosen these. These are just like to loosen so I can have more manipulation between where I want this to go up and down, which is nice. I don't know how well this is done, because again, I still feel like, okay, there we go. Usually, no, we can't even go any lower. Actually, this way we can. There we go. And then you kind of just tighten like this, nice and tight, and it'll stay in its position without, yeah, there we go, without moving. See, and your phone can fit in there, which I think is cool. I think it's cool. I wish I could get it to go all the way down so I could film like this. We probably could, but I feel like there's tripods that could do that. This one just doesn't have that, so it's just good for having it stand alone. And also facing up. Oh, actually, you could, because here, if we set it up straight up, I'm gonna tighten it. Show you what I mean. You know, there we go. Super tight. And then if you set it up like this, you can actually put the phone like this, and the camera going like opposite way, and you could get it to like show. So yeah, I'm gonna go into these lenses. I'm gonna start with this telephoto lens, which quality, this is so hard. I think this is a good quality. I love it. So what happens here is we've got the close attachment, which also looks like this. I'm gonna pull it out and show you. And it just mounts easily into your phone, and then you basically take this end and you screw this right on there. So nice and tight, and then you can clip this to your phone, and this spot right here where the circle is will fit right exactly onto your lens. That's our telephoto, and I hope these are labeled, which they are. Fantastic. This is the fisheye lens right here, and I'm going to go ahead and pull the lens cover off of it. Oh, there we go. That is so awesome. Look at that. That is crazy. So this is a fisheye lens, and again, you could just slip it onto your attachment, right? No big deal. By taking the back piece off. And it just slips right off. This is so cool. Wow. That is cool. That's fantastic. I honestly feel like that's like the coolest thing I've ever seen. Wow. Alright, so this goes on the back. Careful not to put your fingerprints on there. This is why I'm so glad that they attached a cloth, because you can literally just gently give it a nice clean, and it's like brand new. And they got little covers so you can put it back in. So, fisheye lens. This is, I can't read that because it's being covered by like the lens cap. So we're gonna pull the lens cap off. Okay, this one here is the wide angle. So I got it now. Wide angle, so cool. I'll put that one nicely in there. So, wide angle. And then of course, now I don't have to actually open it. This is the macro lens. That is so cool. That's fantastic. I'm gonna just stick this back in here. So this is the cup lens. One thing I didn't talk about, which you just basically can attach to it. And then you basically attach your eye to it. And now you got yourself a telescope. So this is super cool. And yeah, I think that's everything we get in the box. I'm actually kind of stunned. I'm gonna take some photos, and then I will tell you guys of my experience and like what I thought and my opinions on this. And we will see. From then on, I will try and figure this one out. I think this one isn't that complicated, I think, to get through this bit out, but we will still try to do our best to get it to open. This is easy because you can actually focus in and out depending on depth of range, so you can twist, and then it shouldn't be that complicated to do, but I have to obviously figure out how to get this off, and I think from there we'll be okay. But this is pretty sturdy, pretty good quality. I'm actually like amazed at it, and I would say this is 100% one of the coolest buys I have ever like done. So not to shabby, if I do say so myself. The way everything just fits so nicely into the case is pretty awesome. I think that fits in like that. And then this tripod you just switch in to close the legs. Honestly, I really do think that if you're a person who's not a professional in any way, this works to start off, like, which is why I shouldn't be quick to judge, because literally I'm not a professional either, so this is gonna be perfect. I have never gotten a professional tripod ever in my life, so this is something, and you know, it's fun. Do this maybe. I'm honestly, this is what I feel like this is for. It's just for like this tripod, which is okay. I honestly could deal with like the tripod just sitting just like in there, you know, and not like having any like problems. Try not to get your cloth dirty, because then it'll be a lot more difficult for you to like. I've got this little cover on it. Stick it in here. Be very, very gentle with these things. They are extremely sensitive anyway. So this is what I always say. This is just incredible. I'm amazed how everything fits so nicely. And close the case. You're basically ready to go. Yeah, that's so awesome. So tips for using this, and this is mainly because if you're not professional, you can just do it. And tips for using this is to not use a case, or then our cases work fine as well, I guess. And yeah, and just make sure you're putting it directly into the lens hole, so it's like exactly there. For telephoto, they are very sensitive to movements, so if you're going to use it, I would suggest putting your phone on a tripod and then putting the telephoto lens, so you get better image quality. You're not getting that shaky image quality, if you know what I mean. That's just one of the ways you can avoid that happening, and I think that's basically, I'm actually like sure. I'm very excited about the product. You know, I thought this wasn't gonna be as great, to be honest. I thought it was gonna be like, you get what you pay for, but I got way more than I expected, and I also got a gift, so wow. Alright, well, Selvim, you did a good job. Just heads up to you, because this was great. I also watched Cruising Canada's video. Thumbs up to him. Very good video, and very good case. I'm excited to test these out. I will post some photos here and show you guys the progress of me using each lens and how basically it works. You know, Selvim's lenses and the camera and everything in our phones. And yeah, I think that'll be about it for now. I'm going to test these out to get a full 100% review on what I feel about these. I'm going to post images. I'm going to film a video with this, and we're going to test each and every lens. And I will also explain to you how I feel about the telescope, because I think it's one of the coolest things they added on, and I'm excited. So yeah, if you guys liked the video, give it a like, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel, because I'm posting more content than I should, because I usually post once a year, so I'm finally back. You know, it's exciting. So, I'll see you guys in another video. Bye. This is current day me, and here I am opening the kit again, and I'm actually going to install a lens clip, which is what you see here. But something cool about this lens clip that you didn't know, I'm going to show you this little circle in a moment, the one that you see there. I'll show you it in a minute. It's the one that you line perfectly onto the lens of your phone, and that one actually is movable, so it goes up and down. And here I am actually tightening it. That is used to tighten your lens attachment or clip, whatever you want to call it. And yeah, I'm also having a struggle pulling out the fisheye lens, but I took the backing off and the front of it off, and then I just kind of attached it to there. So honestly, the way this lens looks is pretty cool. I actually like the effect, and some people would say that they don't like the little, you know, lens outline of it, but I think it's not that bad. I actually think it looks pretty cool. If you like that kind of an effect, go for it. Not a big deal. Alright, and this is the wide angle. Now this is one of the lenses in the kit that I feel like I would not use because it's the least used lens, as you can see. I mean, most phones already have it anyway, but it's not my favorite. And this is my favorite lens, which is the macro 2x lens. And honestly, this was cool. I got a bunch of good shots with this, and you get great shots. You even get shots of your eye, which is like incredible. So yeah, that's pretty cool. I am just taking a bunch of photos, and I think I have more photos of the macro lens itself than I do of any other lens out there, which I think is incredible. I'm going to talk a little bit about the photos I took in a minute. As you saw there, I was taking photos of this exact flower. Look at the detail in the flower. And the flower, of course, had some leaves. So there's the leaves. These are my jeans, and the detail, pay attention. And look at that detail. The eyelashes are so perfect. Okay, so for this one, I was going to keep the audio, but how about no? So as you can see here, you gotta get right into it to get a good quality photo of it, but I think it looks so cool. I know it's blurry and annoying, but it's until you get close. Keep in mind, you have to actually have the lens right on there, but the detail is perfect. You can see dust, dirt, and scratches. If you liked my video, give it a like, comment down below, and subscribe for more videos because I have been uploading a lot more frequently. If you would like YouTube to select a video for you, click the box to the left, and if you would like me to select a video for you, click the box to the right. Alright, I'll see you guys later. Bye!